I love my 1998 Subaru Sambar. It's small, it's cute, it's quite practical. I have a lot of storage space in the back, but one place I'm definitely lacking storage space is going to be in the cab. And it's something I wanted to deal with for a while, looking at creative options, how I could get more space out of the cab. And one place I noticed where I definitely have some room I'm not utilizing, being that I'm only 5'7", is the headspace above my head and between my head and the roof. So my idea was to find some kind of net that would be small enough to be nice and taut in the headspace, and that I could string up from side to side. Once I found one, I proceeded to make a few adjustments. And by adjustments, I need to just make some extra holes in the top because I want to string it up on all four sides. The sandbar already has some holes on either side where the doors are, some small holes which I utilize by running some zip ties through them. But I also wanted a few bracing points. The plan of attack was pretty simple. I found myself a net. I went with a 2 by 3 foot net, which is kind of too small for any truck bed, but for the cab of Kei Truck, I imagine this could also work for a Hijet, an Acme, or any of our lovely little Kei Trucks out there. It works great, 2 by 3 foot. The one already came with some hooks and such. That was only going to help me with the inside of the cab, so I got out my drill. I have a nice little DeWalt, and I used that to just make a few extra holes. In the beginning, I went between two different kind of zip ties. At first, I thought I would use a stainless steel zip tie because they're going to be tougher, they're going to be stronger, they're going to weather the test of time. But when I started using the stainless steel zip ties, I noticed that with the zip ties and the edges were minutely sharp, nothing that could cut the skin. But I imagined over an extended period of time, it would start to wear out the net, and I was afraid that would give it just a fail point. So after I had half of the stainless steel zip ties put in, I cut them all out, and I went back with just some plastic ones, the regular, beefier zip ties, because even though the roof or that metal part that I'm bracing to on the K truck made into the zip tie a bit, I prefer to change the zip tie than change the net.
Here I'm ready wrapping up. I connected it on the sides with the zip ties wherever I had existing holes, drilled a few extra, especially in the front, as you can see me making the last ones here. In the back, by where your back would literally be, I wanted that to be where the access point is. So I didn't want to be fixating it too much, just a very minimal approach there. There's this unique plastic piece. If someone can tell me what it is, please, you'd make my day. It looks like two outlets. It's not outlets by any means because I can see daylight through them. But I just took and I hooked around one of the hoops. Overall, I'm really happy with how it came out. Now anytime I need to store anything, I can very easily just take, shove it up there, and I know it stays put, nice and snug. And I really love the end result. It looks nice, it looks clean. Because again, the cabin has minimal space. You got me, the passenger, this adorable little glove box, and what's on my dashboard. So far I've been using it for about 2 weeks. And not that I think anything bad would be telling in that time, but every time I look up, I'm smiling ear to ear on it.